Hey everybody, welcome back to Second Life Salvage. In this video, I'm going to cover how to post an item to Facebook Marketplace step by step. Facebook Marketplace is a place where you can buy and sell items locally or also have them shipped all within the platform to anyone with a Facebook account. It is a massive platform to sell on, and I highly recommend it if you're okay with having a Facebook account. Let's get into it. So for this, you will need a Facebook account, pretty obvious. Without a Facebook account, you can't make a posting, so you'll need one of those. You'll also need photos of the item that you're trying to sell. To this day, I still take photos with my cell phone. Photo quality is just fine for what we're doing, and it'll get the job done that you would want to see if you were buying the item. So try to start with at least 3 photos showing different angles. And lastly, you'll need about 5 minutes to come up with a price for the item as well as a little description. At the end of this, you will learn how to make a listing on Facebook, how to list in different groups, and you'll also learn how to make it so friends cannot see the listing. I know at first when I was making listings, I didn't want friends and family to see what I was posting. I was self-conscious about it, but I'm not anymore. So I'll be showing how to do that. And also note this is on an Android phone, so your layout and your buttons may look a little bit different. But yeah, let's go. So we're gonna start by opening our Facebook app, and we'll go back one. So we can go to our profile here. We'll just go to the Marketplace button right here. And we're seeing images of some items that were posted. Some people are selling these. Up at the top left, you'll see a button that says selling, and we want to press that one. So right now, we have your listings, and these are items that I'm currently selling or have them posted already. You also have some badges here, just like some ratings on my profile. And at the top, we want to press this button that says create new listing. Do that. And it'll bring up this little bar at the bottom. You want to see, since I'm selling a lunchbox, we're going to place it under the items section. It's not a vehicle, it's not a job, so it's an item. Pressed item. We're at this screen here, and it's asking us to add photos, so let's do that. I already took some photos of the lunchbox that I want to sell, so I'm just gonna click the ones that I want people to see. So I want to see this first one because it's just an overall photo of what the lunchbox is. And then I'm gonna post another photo. The second one, I want it to be a different photo, like a different angle. And this is the inside of the lunchbox. Then I'll do the outside. I also took photos of the edges because they have the little tassels at the end of the zippers. I want people to see that. That's pretty good. So let's click next. So it has all of the images that we uploaded. The overall one is the first one there. So we can just name this, I think it's an Arctic Zone. I think that's the brand. Arctic Zone Lunch Box. We can also add that it's collapsible. Yeah. Well, maybe that's a word. I'm not entirely sure. There we go. All right, so we have the title of the lunchbox and what people are going to see. These are the words that people are going to see on our listing. We have 1 quantity, so we can just leave that at 1. We can close that part. So for the price, I've done a little bit of research before this, and I've seen Arctic Zone lunchboxes that are similar to the one that I'm posting, and they've been selling anywhere between $25 and $40 for new lunchboxes. That's pretty important to understand that they're new. I don't think people would purchase a used item compared to a new one if they were both the same price. So what I'm going to do here is post this for about, if new ones were going for about $20, I'm going to post this for about $15 and just see where it goes. We can post that in backpacks right now and just, let's see all. Lunch box. It's not really showing up, so maybe they don't have a category for it yet. Let's just go to backpacks for now. Condition, it's like new, so I'm just gonna put it as like new. I haven't had people complain about the condition of an item, and I'm not sure how many people really filter by the condition, but let's just do like new for now. I tend to skip item variant. I don't find it to be very helpful. Brand, it's not going to change the listing all that much. Same with color and handbag size. That's particular for what we're posting, I guess. What matters, in my opinion, is adding the description. Just a little bit of information of what we're selling. So, selling my Arctic Zone lunch box. I like to explain what I'm selling in the first section here, and then afterwards I can say why I'm selling it. I don't use it that much anymore. And then we can explain some of the features or why someone would want to buy it, some things that they may not know. So it's collapse. If I could spell, collapsible and insulated. And at the bottom here, I like to post, let's do $, $15. And I also like to add OBO. This stands for or best offer. So I'm not sure how much it really matters, but I like to add this because it lets people know that I'm negotiable and $15 isn't firm. So we can come to an agreement somehow. I also like to let people know how they can pay for this item. So you can pay with cash, Venmo, or PayPal. I take any of these, so that's how people can pay. It's really good to eliminate the questions that people would have. That's gonna deter people from actually reaching out. So the more you can have without having it crowded in your description would be helpful. And I also like to add thanks and enjoy the day. So that's pretty good for a listing, for a description. After here, we have the SKU number. You don't need to add this. I barely ever add this. You can also boost a listing. This helps it so more people see your listing. I almost never do this unless something is like not moving at all. So we can leave that blank for now. You can have this setting. It says hide from friends. So this listing will be hidden from your Facebook friends, but visible to other people on Facebook. And from my experience, let's do that. From my experience, when you have this selected, it makes it so you cannot post the item to groups. You have a local group. You wouldn't be able to post to that group in particular, but you would be able to still post it to the Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, let's keep that checked, and there's nothing else on this page, so we can press next. So in this screen, it's the delivery method, and it's asking us how to deliver it. So for this item, I'm gonna pick no shipping because let's just do no shipping right now. We can just have it so people can pick up the item locally. I'm okay with that. I can do door pickup, so I can leave the lunchbox on my porch and the buyer can just come up to the porch, leave their money or give it to me virtually, and then they will be on their way. Okay, everything seems to be good. Let's do next. And these are the groups that I was talking about. So it seems like the groups I have cannot be selected. It says at the top here, this listing will be hidden from your Facebook friends, but visible to other people on Facebook. So that's good. I would suggest it that you post to the marketplace here. Again, it doesn't seem like you can post to the groups that I'm in currently. I have about, it says here, when you hide listings from friends, you can't also list them in groups. But that's fine. We can just post it into the marketplace. And these are other groups that I can join. I'm just not a part of them right now. So everything is all set. And then we can press this publish button at the bottom right, and that will publish our listing to the marketplace. And then we're all set. So let's go. So it's publishing. Okay, and you'll see it pop up in the Your Listings section here, and that's how you know that your listing is active and other people can check it out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.